Hello everyone guys, musta na? Nandito naman tayo sa channel natin, Hellboy Fire Vlogger. Last Sunday, nag-join ko sa pag-travel ng Negros Oriental together with the Chamber Volunteer Fire Brigade, no? Then they have this medical mission. So hindi lang sila ang pumunta doon, siyempre kasama yung mga medical doctors saka sa dental. Okay? Grabe ang adventure namin nung nangyari doon. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala nga nakaabot ko ng putok-putokan ng bukid ng Laos sa elementary school. Ang road doon, Diyos ko, parang hindi ka makapaniwala. Medyo slippery siya, malalim yung lutak, yung road nila, parang hindi mo talaga makaya. Kung hindi 4x4 yung sasakyan mo, sigurado, ewan ko lang kung saan ang punta ng sasakyan mo. Lower, hindi kaya pwede to doon sa ano. So, we went there, successfully, nakaabot kami doon. Then, to my surprise, ang dami, may mga tao parang nakatira doon, mga taga doon na ano. And they have this elementary school na donated by, of course, ang president ng chamber, si Edgar C. Then meron na siyang may ginagawa rin ngayon. Hopefully by 3 or 4 months matatapos yung gymnasium nila. Okay? So congratulations, sir. And would like also to thank you for having me na naka-join ko sa kanilang adventure na medical mission sa pinakamalayo na bukid at pinakamataas na lugar. Anyway, join me. Samahan natin sila para makikita nyo ang anong nangyari sa amin nung Sunday na yun. Alright? So let's go! Okay, hello everyone, and we're off to Oriental Guild, and I have with me our pilot, Matthew. Hey Matt.
Hi.
Alright, Odette and John here at the back. Okay, so see you there. Guys, touchdown na tayong San Carlos City. And next stop,
Okay guys, medyo rough road. Kakayanin na natin nga pickup truck. Alright. How was it? How was it? Hey Mac! Grabe! Dok, lapit na ta, Dok.
O, anak na tao. Ito na sa may green.
A few moments later.
Upod Kusubong ang Chamber Volunteer Fire Brigade. They're having this medical mission, and we have with us our pinapakaplangat ng fire chief, Sir Brian Lau. Anong naka-showcase po sa inyong medical mission?
Our mission right now is for dental, my eye checkup and my medical, dental, and eye checkup.
Bimang gina sa na-experience ko. Kapag ito pa lang gusto lang magkundin ako pang-iwat. Ang terrain, kung hindi four-wheel drive ang mga pickup truck mo, I don't know, siguro mabiling kami. So, sa effort ni Jonathan Chua, grabe ang iyang driving skills na ginagamit. Grabe, kayo ka pala nyo natin?
For the medical and dental mission, this will be the third time. Though once a year kami di kasaka. Started.
Ikaw kabalabal, panislaya nagkita ko sila.
Yeah, that was the first time tong kabalabal. It's a good experience. Nag-start din kami di operation is during the Odette nga typhoon. Then nakita namon nga daw klang lanon gitbulig. That's why nagsige-sige na kami di continue.
Could you give us a brief go history bing ang tabong nga naka-discover kung sa sininga place?
It started sa bata ni nga di siya gusto mag-eskwela kay it's 7 kilometer nga manaog sa bukid para makaskwela dyan 7 kilometer up naman. Nakita ni Sir Edgar sa Facebook. So daw naluoy siya, ginkantuan niya gining lugar. Pagkantuan sa ning lugar, daw gin-adapt na nimo nga barangay. So daw ang iyang ginahimo is if you go to school, may breakfast ka, may lunch ka, may merienda ka. So bilang gusto yang bata before magpuli sila balay busog. Miskan gutom ka makadto may pakanoon kanila.
times of trouble, we'll answer the call to pick up the ones who stumble and fall, to quench the flames that rage into the night, to make each burden seem a little light. This is our sacred time,
Reception area.
which all are called
Lunch
to do. The harvest may be great, but the laborers few. We do care, we do share.
Okay guys, we're going back to Bacolod na now, and we have Doc Ya here. Doc, how's the experience? Pro, ilan na hindi siya ilan na ganito beses?
Ika-third pa lang.
Sure, good for her. Anong experience? Paano ang experience?
Very good, especially kay at least no, maka-extend ta some help no, to other people.
Why not? Tatlo sa likod.
Oh.
Okay guys, Doc Ja. Good job Doc sa inyo tanan. So we're expecting more blessings nga mabot diri sa Laos, no? Hindi lang sa Laos, iban man nga mga municipality. So great job tanan sa chamber, volunteer fire brigade. So Doc Ja and na akong pilot Jonathan Chua. Hello John. Yeah, hello. Okay, your mom.
Hi.
To being truly free. We do care, we do share our joy, our life, compassion. Let's bring hope to all the living. So come and share the joy of giving. We do care, we do share one dream for our nation. To walk together hand in hand to build a stronger, better land. A joy, a life, compassion. Let's bring hope to all the living. So come and share the joy of giving. We do care, we do share one dream for our nation. To walk together hand in hand, build a stronger, better land. To walk together hand in hand, to build a stronger, better